What's up, guys? We got a 2024 Toyota Corolla. We end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We'll let you know at the end of the video as well. Basically, we added the shock sensor to this 24 Toyota Corolla. They left them 4 bricks. By adding the shock sensor, the only way it works is on the factory alarm. If you don't do the shock sensor, the only way it will trigger if somebody opens the door. Nobody's going to do that. They're going to break their window and jump in if they want something inside the vehicle, or if they just want rims and tires. There's really no need to open the doors. So by adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm, if anybody tries to stick a socket and hammer it in by pressure, you'll see it in the bottom of the video how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the tires, and the alarm is going to trigger. And that will also protect the windows as well. Any banging, basically the whole car around. And you can hit the driver's side, passenger side. Any banging they do around the vehicle is going to set off the factory alarm. We'll give it a second, and then we're going to trigger the factory alarm again. Okay. I'll go ahead and do this tire in the front. When you arm it, factory alarms have a delay. You'll have like a little picture of a little lock. This red on top of the knob where you turn on the volume for the radio and stuff like that. You'll see it there. It's in the middle of the dash. All right, it looks like it's flashing. I'm going to go ahead and bang on this tire now, the passenger side. Anybody who's interested, our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We are in Miami, and we do come out to you. So Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, no problem. Pembroke Pines, no problem. Give us a call. Thank you.